when I get home, I'm gonna take a picture of it and send it to my boss because you know I got it on camera recording. Damn it! Lucky I got it recording because you know that's why I got the recording thing because of this. Problems like that. I guess I saw a car that was on the side, so I guess the tire must have fell off that car, and it was just in the middle of the road. So by the time I saw it, it was too late. I couldn't move. Yeah. Damn, there's still more pieces of the. Yeah, it kind of messed up the bottom of the car, the front. So when I get home, I'm gonna take pictures. See, that's why it's so dangerous just driving. It doesn't matter if you're not at fault, you know, like that. Like that guy's tire fell off. You could tell it fell off because he's on the side of the road. So tire fell off first, and then he. Shit. Yeah. I'm gonna save it. Lucky I got it saved. Whew, that shit scared me, baby. Oh my gosh. Scared the hell out of me. Fuck, man. It's just lucky I have no lights turning on from my car. Man. Shit. This is a brand new car. They barely bought this car. The company that I work for. Shit. But right now I'm gonna take pictures and send it right after I get home. I'm gonna send pictures to the company. Woo! That shit scared me. It scared me bad. Because I didn't know what it was right in the last second. And I couldn't see it until the last second. Damn it. What time is it? It's 11:48. So right now when I get home, I'm going to save it. It's saved.